So next question, examine the localized fertilizer localization of fertilizer industry in India. So locational factor, the location of fertilizer industry is closely related to petrochemicals. About 70% of the plants producing nitrogenous fertilizer use naphtha as the basic raw material. This is why most of the fertilizer plants are located near the oil refineries. However, some fertilizer plants draw their feedstock and steel slag as well as coke and lignite phosphatic fertilizer plants and are primarily dependent upon mineral phosphate, which is available in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Some plants are based on important phosphate mineral. Sulfur is another important mineral used for manufacturing fertilizers. So primary raw material, petrochemical, so it is closely related to petrochemical industry. Most of the fertilizer industry are based on naphtha, but recently they are using natural gas closely associated with oil refinery. Some of them are also use raw material like steel slag, but others use coke or lignite. Phosphate fertilizer location depend upon availability of mineral phosphate. UP, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan also found along the ports. Changing location of fertilizer industry in recent times, fertilizer industries are upgraded to gas-based region. So location will be aligned to gas pipelines. In case of phosphatic fertilizer, we are totally dependent upon import. Majority of plants are present in cooperative sector. Gujarat is largest producer because of efficient cooperative. Gujarat, Bhadar and Kalol nitrogenous development is a result of petrochemical industry. It is a raw material industry. Government policy has played important role in the success of the plant. Phosphatic fertilizers, Kandla, Ahmedabad, Surat, Faruk, good infrastructure, availability of power. Tamil Nadu, Ennore, Ranipat, Port West location, Tuticorin, Neyveli. Raw material waste, metro, iron and steel produced, steel slag, raw material waste. Maharashtra located in Mumbai Pune belt because of scarcity of special small industry has begun to spread fast. Pune from thermal power station, sulfur residues important for fertilizer industry. Vote which allowed import of important inputs. Infrastructure, availability of power station, availability of capital. Mumbai is the final capital. Agglomeration effect benefits successful cooperatives of no iron, no coal, no naphtha. So concentration is mainly found along HPJ terminal. So you can see in this Kakinada, Mumbai and Hazira, etc. Jamnagar, Dadra, Delhi. Okay. So two important centers around Sahajanpur and Jagdishpur, raw material, major producer of agricultural products. So demand of fertilizer product is highest. Influx of capital was through cooperative sector. Rajasthan, Kota, raw material waste, so located along subsidiary pipelines of HBJ. Another state raw material oriented location. Barauni, Assam, important location coinciding with coal field and port based location. Thank you.